Behold, we are about to descend upon the GEEKOM booth. I actually like the spot that they're in right here. It's just right at the bottom of this set of stairs. Now, GEEKOM is now a full PC manufacturer. They're doing full computer ecosystems because what do we see right here? Many PCs, but there's something new. Laptops. And this is exactly what I wanted all along. They must have read my mind because I've been really wanting a new laptop, and I've kind of been waiting to see if they were going to be making one because the build quality is so ridiculous on the GEEKOM mini PCs that you see right over there. And I wanted them to make something in laptop shape that was a laptop that had the same build quality. So we're getting like, some of these have IPS screens, some of them have OLED screens, 120 hertz, and they're all 16 by 10. And the keyboards are all very satisfying because the control button is there. I'm gonna say this in every video, where it should be, not the function button. And this feels so good because we have this matte skin-friendly coating, magnesium as well. So they're very lightweight. For instance, the 14-inch 16 by 10 with an OLED is 2.2 pounds, 999 grams. Then we have just a slightly bigger 16-inch with the full size. Check that out. Full-size number pad. So yeah, overall, we've got a really pretty looking booth and we've got a competition going on over here. Now over here, we're just using a couple mini PCs and playing some video games. The winner gets a chance to win a mini PC. We've got some it's Vegas. We've got some scratch off stuff going on right here. Can you believe that we're playing games on computers this small in this day and age? So GEEKOM now has a full ecosystem of mini PCs and laptops, both in Intel and AMD flavor. The AMD laptops are a secret, but you know, that's not anything right there. We're not allowed to look at that just yet. But yeah, we can show you the Intel ones. So check out all the other video coverage so you can see the individual products as we break down everything. But this is just the, the booth overview. Let me know what you think about this in the comments.